Okay guys, the other thing you're gonna have to do in your homework is you're gonna have to graph these. So it's really easy. You're gonna be given a table in your homework. The table is specifically picked to give you nice pretty numbers for you to graph. So because this is a base 3, I'm plugging in numbers that will let me take the log of 1, 3, 9, all 27, all things where 3 is raised to that power, okay? So you don't need to worry about that. The numbers will be given to you. When you use your order of operations, please make sure that you plug stuff in and go in the correct order. So, excuse me, if I'm plugging in a 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So now I have 2 times log base 3 of 1. And then I would put that in my calculator. Remember, we hit the math button. We scroll down to our log base, make sure we change it to 3, put in our 1, which gives us 0, and then we multiply that by 2. So our number right here is 0. Okay? And the reason why it's 0 is because 3 to the 0 power is equal to 1. Okay? Because remember, log or exponents are and logs are inverses of each other. And we're going to do the next one. 2 log base 3 of 5 minus 2 is 2 log base 3 of 3. Now I already know this. Whenever I take the log of something that is the same base, I know it's going to be 1. But you could type that into your calculator. So make sure you go to that math button and change your base. Change it to 3. You get 1 and then multiply that by 2. So the answer would be 2 here. Again, if I do 3 to the first power, I get 3. So that's why this worked out to be that 1 that I knew it was going to be, okay? So you would just keep plugging in numbers. 2 log base 3 of 11 minus 2 is 2 log base 3 of 9. Again, I know this is going to be 2 times 2, which is going to be 4. Again, you can just use your calculator. The reason why I know that is because 3 squared equals 9. Okay? And then your final one will be 6. Because when I plug in my 29 here, I will get 27. And I know that 3 to the third equals 27. So I get a 3. And that 3 times 2 makes my 6. Again, don't worry about if you don't understand that part. Just use your calculator. Just plug your numbers in and get what goes here. And then the next thing you would do would be to plot your points, which everybody knows how to do. Okay?